Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video we've got another house vlog, so let's see what they've been doing at my house. So it's the 27th of January and they finally put some wardrobe in, so at least they've done something, but barely anything's happened. And the laundry has finally been installed. Oh, I'm so excited. Even more exciting, I have a kitchen. Holy fucking shitballs. I have a kitchen. And I'm so excited. Look at the marble. I just want to go inside. They've also delivered the doors, or some of them there. So it's my little kitchen. It's a tiny little like cabinet next to like the microwave and the oven. I have no idea what's going to go in there. Chopping board or something. So my internal door in my bedroom is now on, and there's something on the ground there, but yeah, door frames are on. It's starting to happen, guys. Yeah, I can see some internal handles and stuff, and this one finally has a handle. Yay! And now they finally finished the brickwork up the top of here, so that's all new. So hopefully it'll get sealed up very soon. So it is the 8th of February and they have done this. They haven't obviously done everything, but they've definitely started to do the eaves. So done them all the way around this side. And I came in the other day and the tiler has been in, so while I was here he was starting the tiling in the bathrooms as well, as you can see kind of there. I couldn't really go in though, but he's done the bathrooms and the laundry in terms of tiling. Obviously it just needs to be done, they just need to do the from grout, but yeah, everything seems to be coming along. Even got a manhole up the top there. And he's finally done this because he hadn't done it when I came in Wednesday. So he's done my subway tiles in my kitchen. Ooh, and this is new as well. And on this on the ground has been done, so it's a better look at the subway tiles in my kitchen. But yeah, they've done a lot of progress with the tiling and all that sort of thing, so glad to see it's finally moving along a little bit more. Hopefully some more will continue to progress and they'll finish doing the eaves and stuff. Yeah, I wish they would clean these windows. It's so filthy because I don't have a key. I can't even go inside and show you, so yeah. Also, there's a massive crack in the second bedroom window, so they definitely need to fix this ASAP. I'd like to know how that actually happened. 15th of February, and they've finally done the eaves at the front. So they've done all the eaves now. Thank goodness. I was getting worried that they hadn't done these in time and a bird was going to get in there and die or something. And they finally replaced the broken window. Yay! They've put in the robes in the bedrooms. So yay! Finally got some storage up in there. And it looks like he's also started grouting the tiles, which is really exciting because I would have liked some grout in my tiles. So yeah, it's all coming together, lots of bits and pieces. And he's done the grout in the kitchen tiles as well. I'm really glad I chose the grey grout in for this one instead of the normal grout because I really like that. I'm quite happy with the grey grout. And he's done the first one of these, but he hasn't done on that window, so that's a bit odd. So he hasn't done any of the ones down there. And he's done 2 of those, but not all of them, so yeah. A bit odd that he's only done a couple here and there. The 20th of February, and we just ran into the guys who have just installed this because they left the window open in the bathroom. So I think they're coming back, but the shower is in and the bath and all the tiling looks really good. I'm too scared to crawl through this window. But yeah, at least something's happened in the past few days. So it is the 6th of March and they've started painting. Hooray! Finally something done. I think it's just the primer though, because it does not look like a good job. A little window, this is the bathroom. So they've got a mirror that they've put in. I just want to get inside. They also painted the guttering. I'm glad because I did not like the plain metal that they had. Now I like it matches the roof. And I'll be doing some more painting. And at least they're covering everything. Some more going on in here as well. It is all coming together. Hopefully the plumber will be in soon to hook up some, you know, taps and toilets and things. And they've started painting in here as well. And what I've really just noticed is they've put screens on the windows. So yeah, that's good. Otherwise I'd be scared to leave the windows open. So yeah. So it is the 8th of March and it seems the painter has been back again. He has painted all of this up here and the post, and the roller door has been installed as well. And he's done a lot of painting inside the house as well. So yeah, it looks like he's done some proper painting in here. Yeah, all painted. Painted in there as well. The doors as well. Yeah, he's definitely been painting. So yeah, all very exciting. And yeah, more painting going on in here. All the way up here as well. So yeah, all the fresco has been painted up the top, and the posts have been painted. Yeah, it's starting to look like a house. What's also kind of funny is that the tradies have their little microwave in my bedroom. Lol.